Coming.
35.
You're ready here.
Sis,
Why did you do that? For nothing.
alam ko may PO ka nito. Oo, sige ma'am, Maren. Ikukuha ko rin ito sa
Put your
taas.
seat there.
Okay.
Wait.
Mine.
Later.
Ay, oo, hindi ko ito pinapilo. Ewan ko lang kung may stock ko.
Miss, how are you?
Nandito, si
Darling.
Sammy and si Sal.
You stay here, he said.
For feeling
Or, yeah, just stay there. And where is that?
hindi nakakakuha.
Why you not putting your seat belt on? There. There in the seat belt.
Ribbon.
Please, don't distract me. Whenever you're gonna do fast mode,
Di ba ano naman eh?
or slow. Fast. Fast or slow? Lisa, what do you want? Fast or slow? Slow? Fast?
Takbo siya? Hindi mo din naman sa bahay. Nandito na ano? Ano pa?
At the park. Wait.
Nakahanapan kita nun. Gusto
Oh.
mo ba, Mama Julie? Baka may stocks pa. Oo, sige. Mamaya, update ko agad kayo. Ako ay tumayo.
Aray ko. Wait kasi na.
Ito.
Okay, this one. What do you mean I'm not driving? I'm driving down here. We're still here, but you don't see.
Tapos,
Like
sobrang
you're
laki niya.
you're sleeping. Lisa, don't sleep. You're going to school.
Pwede siyang isil lang 65, 60, gano'n. Basta malaki siya. Sobrang laki. Ma, meron ka nitong yellow pero pink wala ka. Tingnan niyo yung size reference. Ganyan ang size reference niya, guys. Diba?
We're almost there.
Okay.
Mommy naman. Wag mo kasi.
Kape. May kape. May kape.
Don't be like bra.
Uy, thank you guys. Hindi na ako naglalab. Kunin ko ng plastic. Para ma-plastic natin itong dalawa. Sa kape, sino pong nauna? Sis Madrid up. Maganda po ako sir.
I don't care if we're going somewhere. We're not going anywhere.
Sunod, sis
Maybe that's the
Yoka. Sa'yo ba
point.
to? Sis Yoka.
We're not going anywhere. We're almost there.
Kay Mama Julie. Oo, may ay wala na ata to.
Dad mo kasi yung ano mo.
Kay Mama Julie.
Tsaka,
Yung para kay sis
kung
Yoka.
mo nga yan, kailangan mo. I have to,
Wait lang guys, meron pa yan.
wait Misha. Dancing in the house.
Ano yung momok ko?
Ulit yun.
Yun? Ganun pa kasi nila. Ganun gano'n.
Kasi,
Hindi mo maglalagay.
Mas mahaba yun.
mura talaga siya magbigay. Kasi
Hindi mo
siya
mamimigyan na ako. Dito mo yung papunta
sa
dito.
ibang kukunin. Bibili ng pagkatay. Kape,
Ang kulit mo hirit, hindi yan mamamove. Wala ng space. Okay?
Hoy! Ano nga bakit pa isa-isa mo video mo?
Misha.
And last one.
Spinning wheel. Is this more? You touch this? That's why I'm getting a brand new car. You touch that, Mom,
Ay, bigay ko kay Sis Ali.
magdadali na.
Like si Sky.
We're almost there.
Nakalimutan ko. Ay, naguluhan ako kay Ma'am ano.
Oh, you want music? Nice. On music. You like this? I like this You know what? That's
Sorry, kay Sis Sky and Shop. Miss you lang. Bigay natin kay, ano,
Hey, they're here to school.
bigay natin to kay Kai. Kai,
I like it here. Ayun pa.
may gusto ko kasi
Let's go. Learn how to help you. So I did easy. I didn't need help. Oh my gosh. Okay, Misha. Stay there. Bye. Don't forget your lunch.
Di ba na alam?
This. Mommy, you can have this. Where do you make that?
Hello yung mag...
pasa. Sige, Ma'am Butchix, ikaw mamili kung ano na siya mo.
Oh, Misha, behave, huh? Behave. Oh, this is your lunch. I'm gonna put it here. There you go.
Mama Julie.
This is your lunch.
Mama Julie.
Yeah, I know that. And don't forget this. This is so many rice, okay? I put a little.
Ma'am Praise.
I brought this so if you get hungry again. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.
Certified talaga siya pag
Ah,
or sale.
Misha, why are you here? Told you not to worry. Mama, can see.
Platform. Kay supplier. Ayan tuloy.
Misha,
Check. Ako
play.
makaka-check.
Oh,
Ito guys.
Misha,
Ewan
are you gonna eat or what? I'm gonna get your kanin.
madami
Get your
guys.
kanin, ha? Kuhanin ko na yung kanin mo. Wait, ha? Kuhanin ko muna yung kanin. Yung kanin mo, ang bigat. Ah, we need something like it's a beautiful steak. Okay, we're gonna get this one so you can eat in here. Oh, I'm not done.
Yan na?
Oh,
Super light pink.
we're going home.
Chocolate.
I'm hungry. At least I didn't play already because I was about going to play, but I didn't make a mess.
Mine pink.
But honey, you will remember that your rice is finished. Ay, dami pa ulam. I should have put it here. I shouldn't
Choco,
put,
tapos may white. May choco,
I
may
shouldn't put
white.
it here your ulam.
Mama Julie, tapos white na lang, Ma'am Seth. Gusto mo white, Ma'am Seth?
Put your ulam here. Gosh, it's so dirty.
Okay, next
I'll
na.
never see this again. That's why I'm putting it here, because you didn't finish it.
Nag-give ko na
I told you to finish it now,
five.
and you didn't listen. I made so many efforts. And here, there's a bit of rice. Why you didn't finish that? It's a waste, Misha. That's called a waste. Now I have to put it here, your rice. Now I have to put it here. Misha, it's time for school. You go pack your... Ano? Go pack your things. Okay. Okay, Misha, I'm going to cook your rice. You better finish this, huh? I will put a little of rice, and if you don't finish it, there's something going to back up into you. I'll whoop you. Okay, I'm gonna put the whole hand in here so I can make your effort good. Oh. Siopaw, gusto mo? Gusto mo eh. Siopaw eh.
Tihayan na lahat ng ano. Kuha daw tayo sa taas. Okay. Kuha tayo sa taas. Meron pang ganito oh. Guys, tignan niyo price. 35 lang. Okay.
Okay, so you can know what effort I'm doing. Laura! Wake up! Ano oras na? I'm making some food. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put a lot of rice. I'm gonna put a little bit of rice, pero dapat maubos. I'm not making a mess, Misha. You're the one. 'Cause if I keep on digging it, then I'm the one who makes hard. Oh, you're the one. Oh, ikaw na lang magko. Oh. Let's see. Be grateful, ah. The kids outside, they have no anything to eat. So you be grateful because you have parents and you can eat. Oh, wag mo ako pigilan niya siya. You say, I know. Don't say that. Like, don't say that in your house, in this house.
Checking lang. Nagpapaparcel lang.
Okay.
1:1 muna tayo guys dahil maraming may gusto. Para lang ano, alam nyo na. Ito,
Okay, we're gonna put a lot of rice.
ako sis.
Next time, if I see that you have,
Ano kasi, hinihigaan ng pusa ako.
if I see that you have so many rice and you didn't finish it, yari ka sa akin, Misha.
Tignan mo kung nasa lang
I'm not joking right now. I'm being for you. We're gonna put shell in your ulam.
nasa supot. Na ganito.
Oh, squid.
Ako na mag-a-adjust.
Octopus. Turtle. Ayun na.
Parang
Ayun na.
ilang kilo na to? Mga 12 kilos na ata yan. Ito na game. Green na game.
Please finish it, Misha. I'm being too worried for you.
1:1 lang.
Pag, I don't care. Okay, let's go na, Misha.
Nakaangat siya. Okay. Mine.
Bye-bye.